Chairman's daughter, 40,000
40,000 rupees income annually.
annually.
Two of his daughters, my lords, they get selected. As against his salary of 2.71 lakhs per month. I'm
No,
making
but
mistake.
this is shocking.
Yes, ma'am.
KPSC chairman's salary is 40,000?
Just an FIR.
No, 40,000? Some independent agency should investigate into this. I am not on that. Oh, his salary is 40,000.
Family income is 40,000.
Oh,
And she claims a reservation under 3B. But the petitioners are de facto complainants. But we file a complaint to the respondent number 3 that the daughter of KPSC chairman gets selected by giving
daughter of KPSC chairman gets selected.
selected for the industrial unit post by forging a document showing her income as 40,000 rupees.
Chairman's daughter, 40,000.
40,000 rupees income annually.
Annually.
Two of his daughters, my lords, they get selected. As against his salary of 2.71 lakhs per month. My lord, we file a complaint.
Per month?
Per month.
How did you get to know?
My lord, this is all available in the online.
Page L, Kudi?
My lord, her income certificate, which we could lay hand.
Ah.
Your lordship, page 36, annexure B.
ಎಷ್ಟು 8 lakhs per month?
40,000 ಅಂತ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ?
My lord, annexure B in page 36, your lordship.
Annexure?
B in page 36. Not in the numerical value.
ಓ 40,000.
40,000 per annum.
2.25 ಲಕ್ಷ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
My lord, that I have pleaded, my lords, we could take out online because salary of the
How
chairman.
do you get this?
We complaint ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ.
How authentic is that?
No, my lord, even the lowest salary per month for anybody would be 1.5 lakhs.
ಏನ್ qualification ಏನು?
No, my lord, so far as KPSC chairman's daughter.
Chairman salary 40,000 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿರೋದಾ?
ಹೌದು. And I file a complaint, both the petitioners.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, his salary is 40,000.
Family income is 40,000.
Oh.
And she claims a reservation under 3B.
And she's selected now.
She is selected. Both the daughters are selected. I file a complaint, they don't register. A tailor-made complaint is registered by the KPSC secretary, making only one of the daughter as a accused. But therefore, we made a request for transfer it to the CBI.
CBI?
We have made a request under the complaint and including the registered FIR should go to the CBI.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು crimes register ಆಗಿದೆ ಈಗ?
So now 78 of 26.
Totally how many crimes?
3 complaints are pending, only 1 crime is registered.
Crime numbers ಹೇಳಿ sir.
78
Then,
of only
78 of
26. Annexure H in page 50.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೇರೆ?
This is the only FIR registered.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಏನೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ?
No action is taken on my complaint.
Which are those complaints?
You also could kindly turn to in page 55, my lord. In page 55, one by the petition number 1.
55.
16/7.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದು?
Annexure C, page 37. 37 to annexure F, page 43.
ಇದು crime register ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
Illa. 3/7/26, I file a complaint. Subsequently, my lords, the police share information to the KPSC secretary. A tailor-made complaint is filed just on eyewash. They have registered FIR at 78, which I pointed out to lordship, 78.
ಓ 78 ಒಂದೇನಾ?
ಹೌದು. Therefore, my lords, it's a case where, my lords, large scale scam is involved. Chairman's daughters, they get selected. He is part of the selection committee. And, my lords, political connections are there. My lord, it is not the first time that KPSC is indulging in these things. My lord, right from 2011-12. My lord, this honorable court in a division bench has held that fraud is played in the irregularities. Commissions are appointed. Even then, my lords, there is no truth ever come out. So therefore, my lords, we have sought for a transfer of this FIR and other complaints to the second respondent number 2. And my lord, I have also requested for an interim order for this reason. Moment we file a petition, my lord, the state would be in a hurry to constitute some SIT, which has happened in my experience last time when we went for a withdrawal of sanction to the CBI was challenged. Within 3 days, the transfer is a file is sent to SIT, and we were made to challenge and amend the writ petition. This time they are going to do the same thing. With my lord experience and dealing with them, my lords,
No, but this is shocking.
Yes,
KPSC chairman salary is
We
40,000?
register an FIR.
ಇಲ್ಲ, 40,000?
That's why we register an FIR. We have registered an FIR for same offense. In fact,
Only
Your
against
Worship,
daughter.
Then why don't these FIRs complaints be registered?
Your Worship, the page 41,
ಅಲ್ಲ 37 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ?
page for content of page 41. He doesn't say anything.
No
We
problem.
have said
So
so.
we have registered LPR has been registered and conducted preliminary inquiry.
Oh, no.
Annexure F.
What,
ಬನ್ನಿ.
sir?
Annexure F, page 43.
And what basis?
ಇಲ್ಲ,
No.
what basis?
Yes.
I will now pass an order. The,
No, I seek.
no, I'm not, I transfer ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಈಗ.
Well, even Your Lordship may even for any interim order which they are seeking.
No, wait, we'll see.
My
The petitioners are said to be complainants. Though the complaint is registered on 16/7/2026 and an earlier complaint on 3/7/2026, the petitioners are before the court on a very delicate circumstance. The allegation is that the chairman of the Karnataka Public Service Commission, the independent constitutional body for recruitment to the services of the state of various cadres, is said to have been indulging in nepotism or several other illegalities. It is the averment in the petition that the chairman of the Karnataka Public Service Commission has participated in the selection and selected two of his daughters by projecting two of his daughters claiming reservation under section under 3B. The 3B reservation, which is known that it is based on caste and income. The income of the chairman of the KPSC is said to have been projected by rendering a certificate before the KPSC by the daughter that the family income of the chairman of the KPSC is rupees 40,000, and therefore the selection comes about under the category 3B. Nothing can be more appalling than this by an independent constitutional body for appointment to various services of the state. The learned counsel would further contend that a complaint comes to be registered on 3/7/2026, and the complaint on a preliminary inquiry is rendered in LPT, is rendered in LPT, and the information is shared with the KPSC, and KPSC is said to have registered a complaint, which immediately becomes a crime in crime number 78 of 2026. The counsel for the petitioner submits that it was only an eyewash. Therefore, the petitioners have sought transfer of these cases to the hands of the Central Bureau of Investigation, owing to the history of the controversies in the KPSC, and that the fact that the state would immediately come up with constitution of a special investigation team in the circumstances. Therefore, the learned SPP to accept learned HCGP to accept notice. The SPP is directed to appear in the matter and secure instructions and make submissions. List the matter on 29th.
They should not transfer it during. They will do
ಅದನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ.
it. They will do it. My experience, my lord, they have.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Even then, your matter is before Your Lordship. I don't
No,
understand.
this is the assurance given when your lordships heard about the CBI withdrawal matter. 3 days later, my lord, the notification comes up.
No, let them come
They-
back,
they-
my lord, if something like that.
No,
The-
we can't
one
go.
నిమిషం. In the event the state would during the pendency of this petition and its teeth, the state would come up with the constitution of a SIT for the very same purpose. The petitioners are at liberty to move the matter immediately.
Amendment alla.
ಏನು?
We have to go for amendment and challenging that. That's what they want.
Appointment ಏನ್ ಬೇಡ. ಇದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ.
Right. My lord, R2, I have to serve it on.
ಆರ್ಟು ಯಾರು?
CBI.
Prasanna Kumar, sir. Counsel P. Prasanna Kumar is directed to accept
1 and
notice.
3 Mallana.
Accept notice for
One and
R2 Prasanna Kumar.
1 and 3
1 and
state,
3 ಗೆ learned
1 and 3 SPP. SPP or
Yes.
don't constitute SIT and other things and make me write more.
They had done it earlier.
They may not do it.
ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
They may not do it now.
Hierarchy
to have more
ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು idea ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Huh?
They seems to have more information than me.
ಅಲ್ಲ correct. ಇಲ್ಲ the public domain ಇರೋದು ಅದು.
My experience in the past ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
No, they
Yes.
give a letter on 16/7 and then come before this court and.
Urgency
3/7 ಇದೆ ಒಂದು.
3/7.
Correct.
3/7 how can you say it is LPT?
It says paper ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ. Your lordship may see that complaint. It says the paper ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿರೋದನ್ನ.
ಅಲ್ಲ
WhatsApp
ಈಗ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಈಗ
ಬಂದಿರೋದನ್ನ.
ಆಗೋಗಿ ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ವಿಷಯ ತಾನೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ it's you have taken action.
No,
State
but
has taken
subsequent-
action.
Because based on KPSC given a complaint saying that this is the.
Exactly. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ let it be investigated by independent. See, some independent agency should investigate into this. I am not on that.
I am not saying that, my lord. That
Many times.
I am only saying that.
ಅಲ್ಲ that's why ರಾಜ್ಯದ youth ಎಲ್ಲ they are people who have
No.
qualification are
In
suffering.
fact, before they do it in action, we have taken action against the commissioner. Sir,
That
Chairman.
is what before ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
We
ಏನು
have taken, no, not just registration of FIR. There are many things have happened.
many things
Before
have,
they
that's all
step
right.
into action.
Sir, there should be cleansing of the agents
Correct,
tables
correct,
always.
correct. What I'm saying, my lord, it's not that the state kept quiet. The moment that all these things
No,
came
and
into light.
that's
state
why I'm
has-
not, that is why I'm not said anything. It's only the prayer, you secure instructions and
Yes.
make submissions. That's all. I've not said anything. I only recorded what the submission
I
is.
understand.
And that is in public domain again.
That's-
Yes.